This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by Jackie Lovell. Stunning 1.5 level in popular Greythorne. More than 2,000 square feet, 3-bed, 2 full bath, plus a bonus area with open floor plan, high ceilings. Upgrades, renovations include, new high-end scratch-resistant floor, kitchen custom-built cabinets, composite granite countertops that are stain and heat resistant, smart appliances. HVAC 2019, landscape 2020, dog run 2014, light fixtures 2020, paint interior 2020. There is a playground 3 doors down, walking paths throughout, community clubhouse and pool. The ring stays with home. For more information, review the details below or contact Jackie Lovell at 317-3